We believe that data is key to achieving better outcomes for our customers. But there are many barriers between data and action. Most customers are currently going through a cloud transformation journey. And while this brings a lot of benefits in terms of scalability, growth, agility, and innovation, it also comes with a set of challenges. Complexity is the fundamental challenge to solve to succeed in the multi- and hybrid cloud world. With a technology landscape that probably looks something like this, customers are faced with data silos, lack of visibility across processes, and with security challenges. Nobody wants one tool to monitor AWS, another for GCP, and still another for their on-prem infrastructure, let alone one tool for infrastructure, one for networking, and one for application monitoring. That's why we provide an open, extensible data platform that supports shared data so that all teams can get end-to-end visibility with context. Splunk has evolved to become the unified security and observability platform. Security and observability capabilities are powered by the powerful Splunk platform for seeing and acting on the same data. With our extensible platform, you can bring together data from across your organization's hybrid multi-cloud technology footprint and do it at scale. It provides a powerful set of capabilities, including streaming, machine learning, a scalable index, search, visualization, and collaboration and orchestration. So what makes Splunk different? Splunk is focused on giving you end-to-end visibility across all of your data. With Splunk, there is no data sampling or blind spots. Only Splunk enables you to see across any data source at any scale in near real time. But you need more than complete visibility. You need to be able to act quickly on threats, performance issues, or any other obstacle with human support or increasingly artificial intelligence and machine learning. And with Splunk, the same platform that keeps your systems secure and resilient can be extended to solve for a variety of custom use cases. So now, let's take a look at a demo of the platform in action to see how Splunk turns data into doing. Splunk allows you to run your deployment as a managed SaaS version of the offering with Splunk Cloud Platform or fully on-prem with Splunk Enterprise. The first step is bringing data into Splunk. Splunk lets you bring data in from multiple sources and provides a unified view of your data. Essentially, in order to get data into Splunk, you configure an input. This can be done through Splunk Web, heavy forwarders, universal forwarders, CSV files, source-specific apps and add-ons, or through Data Manager for cloud sources. Splunk Platform can index any kind of data. Indexing data makes it easier to search and organize your data accordingly. You can even route, filter, and mask data while it is streamed to your indexers. This is useful if you have sensitive data such as social security numbers that you want to mask, or if you wish to filter your data with only information you need. Finally, you can route your data to external destinations. This can be very useful for historical data that you wish to keep for compliance purposes but don't need to keep in Splunk. With workload pricing, you don't have to worry about capping the amount of data you ingest, so you can really focus on acting on your data. Getting data in is just the beginning. Splunk's powerful search capabilities allow you to search and investigate your data regardless of its structure in order to find the needle in the haystack. The Search and Reporting app is used to run searches, save reports, and create dashboards. As you search, you will be able to refine that search by hiding or selecting certain fields and timeframes for which to search your data from. You can also transform your data with different types of commands. For example, you can use the stats command to apply statistical operations on your data for further analysis. The results will be displayed in a data table. Now it's time to build our visualizations. These visualizations can be used to either create a new dashboard or add to an existing dashboard. There are several visualization options that you can pick from to best suit your data. Dashboards allow you to visualize searches, reports, charts, or graphs easily. Dashboards provide real-time view and update as new data flows into the system. You have the ability to pick the time range that you want to show. Dashboards can be easily shared, whether it's sharing as a read-only view for a current Splunk user or downloading the static dashboard as a PDF or PNG, which can be very useful for presentations and executive reports. You can also add drill downs to dashboard visualizations in order to add interactivity. This means that additional data insights will be shared once a user clicks on that specific drill down. Dashboards are completely customizable, and you can design your dashboards with specific colors, images, and more. Searches can be saved as alerts. Alerts are used to monitor and respond to specific events. Alerts use a saved search to look for events in real time or on a schedule. You can set alert triggers to respond when search results meet specific conditions. Then, you can set one or more alert actions to respond accordingly. Splunk allows you to correlate and enrich your event data through lookup tables. Lookups match field value combinations between your event data and your lookup tables. CSV lookups match field values from your events to field values in the static table represented by a CSV file. Lookups can be configured automatically using automatic lookups, which apply the lookup definition to the searches at search time. Splunk lets you create data models which allow you to easily create a hierarchical structure to your data. Data models can be used to generate searches by structuring your data. Data models can also be accelerated in the form of an accelerated data model to improve their search efficiency. Data models can also be used in the pivot tool. The pivot tool allows you to create reports and dashboards without having to use SPL. Splunk has over 2,700 pre-built applications that you can utilize as a starting point in your Splunk journey. You can find apps for your specific use case on Splunk Base. Whether you choose to run Splunk Enterprise on-premises or Splunk Cloud Platform as a managed SaaS solution, Splunk eliminates data silos and blind spots. With our unified security and observability platform, we provide end-to-end data visibility across a hybrid, multi-cloud, and edge technology landscape. So now it's your turn to turn data into doing with Splunk.